Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by launching GeForce Experience and making sure the app and GPU drivers are current so settings apply correctly. Once done, sign in if prompted and open the in-game overlay with Alt+Z, or click the Settings gear then General. This places the battery boost controls within reach. Make sure the overlay is enabled so you can access performance options. You're now ready to locate the battery boost entry under Performance or Power Controls. You'll navigate to Performance inside the overlay and open the battery or power controls area so you can see current limits and the toggle. Next, select the battery boost entry to reveal the FPS cap and the on/off switch. This is where Nvidia restricts GPU output to save battery. Turn the toggle off, or change the FPS limit to unlimited if you prefer no cap. Make sure to hit apply or save so the new policy takes effect immediately. Once you've applied the change, test it. Unplug the laptop and launch a graphically heavy app to confirm performance no longer drops. If you don't see the battery boost control, make sure GeForce Experience and the driver are updated. If needed, reinstall the app. If disabling doesn't stick, restart the PC so settings commit. And as a key troubleshooting tip, roll back to a previous driver or perform a clean driver install. This often restores expected controls and fixes unexpected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.